Hi, I hope you're having a good day. I'm gonna have a better day than usual because I'm going to my first fashion show ever and I am so excited. It's for LA Fashion Week and I'm especially excited to see one of my favorite designers ever, Michael Costello. And yeah, so I thought I would film a fashion week look, if you will. For the look, I wanted to use a palette that I haven't used before. It's not very smart to do that for an event you care about so much, but I don't know, this palette was just calling to me, and one of my friends is going with me to the fashion show. Amanda actually bought this for me as a surprise, and you already know what it is because of the title. It is the e.l.f. Modern Metals palette, and this is such a beauty. This palette is a collab with a whole bunch of different influencers and inspired by New Orleans. And I don't know, just all the colors just really spoke to me, and I just love that it's from e.l.f. too. It's Drugstore. It only costs $12. And they also have a really nice highlighter and blush palette. I played with it in stores. I didn't buy it because I didn't have a purpose for it yet. I wasn't sure if I was gonna make a video, so I'm trying to stick to my purchases having purpose. It's not going the best, but I'm really trying. So that's why I didn't buy that. Now I kind of regret it and I want it. I wish I had it for this video. But it's okay. Really the star of the show is definitely this guy. So let's just put it on my face. Okay, so I primed my eyes with Milani eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to use these little stickers that I recently got from e.l.f. and they are awesome. So I'm gonna start my look off with this gorgeous yellow. Very nicely pigmented. So this palette for me is not a complete palette because it doesn't have browns, and I don't know, I always need browns. So I'm gonna go into another e.l.f. palette, actually one of my ultimate favorites palettes ever that I somehow always end up reaching for, even though I have so many high-end palettes with probably very similar colors. It's just, you don't have to think when you look at this one. You just already know where to go, and I just love it. So we're gonna use one of the browns in here with a very tiny brush. We're gonna use this dark brown with a very tiny crease brush, and we're gonna go in the crease. Back and forth sweeping motion. I'm gonna take a flat brush with some concealer. I'm going to cut the crease and go from there. And I'm gonna go into this gorgeous shimmer shade. Shimmer shade, shimmer shade, shimmer. This palette has such beautiful metallic shades. Really soft, not crumbly one bit. You know what, the brush isn't working that well since I set the concealer. Usually I don't do that. But I'm really trying to keep it from creasing. So we're just gonna do it with our fingers, and that works beautifully. Okay, now for the fun, scary part. We're gonna add this color. This is where this guy is really gonna help me out and create the look I want. I'm using this small brush. It's like a detail brush from Morphe. It's called the M514. Just keep adding more of that blue shade and I'm patting it on and then I'm gonna blend. Take a small fluffy brush and I'm gonna go back into this yellow. Oops. And actually mix it a little bit with this like pinky brown. Oh, that fight. And I'm gonna blend the top. Okay, that looks interesting. We shall see what that ends up like. I'm going to finish my other eye now. To the browns again and go into the crease. Okay, now I'm gonna clean up around the edges. This eye always looks so much better. So I'm thinking I want a little more sparkle since, you know, today is a little bit special. So I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. It's called Golden Glitz. This is the shade. And I don't remember exactly what the product is called, but it's pretty much a gel glitter. It is gorgeous. And I'm going to pat just a little bit on the lid with my finger. Yes, there's some extra sparkle. And this gel dries down really nicely. I played with it earlier today. Now I'm just gonna finish the lower lash line. Oh my gosh, I can't stop staring at my eyes. They're so sparkly, so pretty. Alright, so this is my final look. I'm so happy with it. After everything came together, I feel really beautiful. And isn't that the best? Isn't that the whole point of everything? Is to feel nice and good about yourself. So yes, e.l.f. we did that. Yeah, I actually kind of added highlight off camera, as you can see, and I don't know why. I used this e.l.f. Heart Defensor highlighter, and it is, I mean, incredible. For this highlight, I mixed both of these colors, so yes, I love it. It's so beautiful. Forgot right here. So pretty. I wanted to add a tiny little bit more of highlight, just like a tiny little bit. I wanted to add this one because I haven't used it yet and I got it when it went on sale at Sephora. It's the Starlit Powder by Makeup Forever, and this is in the shade Ivory. I'm just gonna add this to the, oh my god, I barely touched my face. I'm just gonna add this to the very high points of my face. Of my cheeks, actually, just my cheeks, because that's too much. Literally right there. Oof. Whoa, man. Had to tone it down a little bit. Don't want to look like we're trying too hard for our first fashion show. I'm so excited. Oh my god. So, I'm gonna end this video with putting my outfit all together, and yeah, let's see. Hello. This is my not very well put together room. Yes, it needs a lot of help. We'll get to it one day. It is time to put on the outfit for Fashion Week. As if I was going to New York Fashion Week, but it's just LA Fashion Week. It's still very exciting though. I'm like so thankful that I get to go to this and like that they're offering tickets where you can like buy them and go and you don't have to be somebody from the industry. Cause I don't know, I just never thought I would get to go to them so soon or like be able to pay to go. So anyway, I'm super excited. And yeah, Nala Bear, hey, what you doing? Huh? She's excited too. She's very talkative. You'll get to know. Hey, okay. Señorita. A mí no me responde así, carajo. ¿Ah? Nada. And she's over it. I also have to finish eating. My friends get here in 15 minutes. All right. I am LA Fashion Show ready. What should we think? What should we think? Oh my god, that mirror is so dirty. That's embarrassing. Yes, these are very, very long. Hopefully with my heels, they'll be fine because there's no time to fix these. This is all last minute. Nala, please just give me a second. She needs her ball like right now, this minute. Who's in charge here? No, I'm ignoring you. You gotta wait. Yeah, so I wasn't gonna go to this thing because I have no idea what you wear to such things. And I don't go out very often, so I don't have a lot of, like, all my clothes are from Forever 21 and places similar. Nala, please. So I was automatically like, nope, well, I'm not going because I'm not about to go look like an idiot. Nala, which is so dumb because I'm just there to enjoy the fashion show and see the clothes. Who the heck cares what I am wearing? So anyway, I decided to go with the jean jacket to make it more, you know, LA. She's having a full-on tantrum back there. I'm just about to eat my pasta because... I already gotta redo my lips. Cheers. I'm very interested. You smell food? Oh, okay. No food for you. I gotta hurry. Hey, no ma'am. I gotta hurry. I haven't taken any pictures and I need a thumbnail. Bye. All right, I'm running super late. I gotta go meet up with my friends at this show. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. And let me know if you pick up this eyeshadow palette. I really enjoyed it. I think you're gonna enjoy it too. And it's so affordable. And it just got really fun colors. And I am so happy with how my look came out and just how everything worked in general. All right, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video, and I will see you next time. Bye.